Hi everyone, in today's video we're making this simple crochet angel. It's really lovely, so let's make it. First of all, just leaving some yarn at this point and to create the handle. Then make a magic ring. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains consider it as a first double crochet and totally make 14 double crochet in the magic ring. Look, 3, 4, 5. Make 14 double crochet. After making 14 double crochet, tie the ring. Then going to the top of our first, look, double crochet. Actually the first chains, because we considered the chain as a double crochet. Make a slip stitch, 3 chains, and in the same place again make 1 double crochet. Next stitch again in same space 2 double crochet. Next stitch in same space 2 double crochet. Look, now we 2, 4, 6. Next 2 double crochet, and last stitch again in same space 2 double crochet. Look, totally we made 10 double crochet, but in the same places time. In every stitch make it 2 double crochet. Now for the next row, 3 chains, turn our work. Again making 2 double crochet in every stitches. In every stitch make a 2 double crochet until the end, but at the end we'll make just 1 double crochet, and at the end we'll have a totally 19 double crochet. Make it and count it. In every stitch make it 2 double crochet, except the last stitch just make a 1 double crochet. Now as you see, I made 18 double crochet, and now I reach to the end of the row, the last double crochet, and make, as I said, just 1 double crochet on it, and in this row I have a 19 double crochets. 4 chains, turn our work for the next row. At the bottom again, look at the first stitch, make 1 double crochet, then make 1 chain, next 1 double crochet, 1 chain, next stitch 1 double crochet. In this row we'll have 19 boxes. Look, the 1 chain spaces we considered as a boxes, 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, and making 1 chain, 1 double crochet until the end of the row. After making 18 boxes, look, as I said, the 1 chain spaces. Now I reach to the end again, and I reach to the my last stitches, and now make 3 chains, and going on the top of the last stitch make a slip stitches. Okay, now we will start the skirt part. Our body part is finished. For the square part, 1 chain, cut our yarn. Count the 7 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to the 7 box, make a 3 chains. Look, 1, 2, and 3. In the same place, make 1 double crochet, one chain again, 2 double crochet in the same space without any chain. Skip the next space and into the next again, 2 double crochet, one chain, and in same space 2 double crochet without any chain. Skip the next space, another space, again 2 double crochet, one chain, 2 double crochet in same space. Okay, now as you see, we completed the first row of our skirt part. Now we'll expand this part step by step as we go. Row 2, 3 chains, turn our work into every spaces. Look here, the 1 chain spaces. Make a, look, we considered this first 3 chain as our first double crochet, and totally 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet in same space. Next 1 chain space, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet. Last 1 chain space, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet in same space. And again for the next row, 3 chains, turn, and in this row, into every spaces, look, this space, 1 chain spaces, yeah, make a 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochet. Next 1 chain space, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet. For the next row, again make a 3 chains, turn our work. Now into the every spaces again, make a 3 double crochet, but 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Again 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3. After making this row, now the skirt part is finished. Now without any chain, turn our work and into the look, first 1 chain space, making 9 double crochets. Making 9 double crochets, going to the look between to the 2 model here, and make a 1 single crochet, and again next into the 2 chain spaces, make 9 double crochet. Again between the model, make a 1 single crochet, here make 9 double crochet, and until the end. Look at the end into the last chain, last stitch, make a slip stitches, 1 chain, cut out, hide the extra yarn. Motif is ready now, and let's make it the handle part. Now for the handle part, look, remember that we leave some yarn at the beginning. Yes, now with a helping of a needle or with a hook, look, I'm going to take a yarn onto the top of look here again, taking a yarn from a next stitch into the look from the middle into the bottom. Now here you can use a hook or needle. Okay, now look, with a needle down, and look, for example, this handle is good, and now here I'm going to make a tie, cut the extra yarn, look, and this is the handle of our little angel. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial.